Alright guys, today we're going to talk about the Vision Kit from Google, the AIY Vision Kit. And what we've done here is we've done 3D prints for it. You can see here this is a tripod that was 3D printed, and this is a case for it. But because it's so tiny, it gets squashed in there. And there's no internal fan, so we've put a fan underneath it to make sure that it doesn't overheat. Alright, the thing you saw is running right now. Make some expressions in front of it. See what happens. Anything going on there?
No.
No? Oh, oh, it's doing something. There we go. So depending on the expressions she's making, whether it's a funny, happy or unhappy expression, it will make something. It'll make the little noise and then the flashing sound. Right, the light will flash. Pretty cool.
Take a picture as if you press that.
Very good. And in the next video, we'll show you how to change programs so that you can run different programs on the Raspberry Pi Zero that's on here, and we'll show you how to do that.
So, see you in the next one.